It's Christy again from Christy's OT Corner. Today we're going to work on folding, and we're going to start with a washcloth, something simple. So you're going to put the washcloth out like this, two hands, one on each corner, and fold it over. And then if you're right-handed, you're going to go right to left. If you're left-handed, you go the other way, like that. Okay, I'll do that one more time. That's an easy one to start with. Two hands, fold it over, and flip it over that way. And you folded a washcloth. All right, next it's going to be a hand towel or a kitchen towel. So you put that down on the table. Again, right and left hands on each corner. Fold it in. And then if you're right-handed, right to left. And if you're left-handed, just do it the other way. And then again, fold it in half. Some people like it folded, some people like it long. That's up to you. We'll fold it in half again. So there you go. If you need to see these again, just rewind the video and watch it again. Next is going to be a towel. So you're going to take the towel long ways. Ready? Like this. Two hands up at the top, each corner. Put your hands together. Grab it here. Now you're going to take the towel and put it long ways like this. Hand here and let it fall down. Like that. Up again. Hand in the middle and then let it fall down. That's the easiest way to teach someone to fold a towel. Okay, and there's your towel. The next thing, last thing we're going to do is a shirt. Now, I made a folding board out of cardboard. Took a box cutter, and cut it. On the top, I wrote top or neck. And on the other side, I wrote pull. Okay? So it's easy to make. It's a good guide for a shirt. So we're going to start with a t-shirt. So I picked one with writing on it. The writing is the front of the shirt, and that's going to go down on the face of the table. So let's put that down like that. You take the folding board and put it right here where it says top or neck, right above that, so it sticks up just a little bit. Now, we're going to go two hands. One at the top, one at the bottom, and fold it in. The sleeve is long, you just fold it over. Again, top, bottom, with two hands, and fold it in. All right, and the next step is bottom to top, flip it up, like that. Now take two hands, grab it at the top, and flip it over. And now it says pull. Hold the shirt and pull. And now you have a shirt that's folded. Okay. All right. So that's it. Simple and easy. Get practicing and help Mom.